Hi everyone, welcome to the latest edition of What Would Keith Do? Question that I got asked this week was about trekking poles and did someone need to take trekking poles on a trip? Now, trekking poles are a personal choice. I personally think that they make you more efficient when you're walking. They certainly help you downhill. They alleviate any pressure onto your knees. And also when you're going uphill, it does give you something to pull on as well. So I personally would recommend taking a set of trekking poles with you on your trip. The thing with it is you need to practice with the poles before you go on the trek. There's no point buying a set of poles, taking them on the trek, and then trying to learn to use them on day one. So you need to use them prior to going. I recently bought a set of the new Alp Kit ultra compact ones. I took these to Morocco with me a couple of weeks ago. They're super lightweight. They fold down into three sections, so they slot into the side of my bag really nicely. They're super simple to put together. You just pull that one, lock them into place, and then the pole locks in. If you're going uphill, you obviously want them slightly shorter, and if you're going downhill, you want them slightly longer, so you can adjust them as you do your walk. With a trekking pole, the Alp Kit ones, they do come with snowshoes on them. They have a plastic protection cap on them, and you can take this off, and inside there is the carbon point that helps grip to the rocks. We see so many people walking and don't take the plastic bit off, but when you're walking, that's the bit you should be using, unless you're on the Inca Trail, because actually on the Inca Trail, that bit is banned to keep the Inca Trail and look after it and protect it. So you do need to use the rubber caps when you're trekking on the Inca Trail. This bit here is for snow. If you're not walking in snow, you can take that off and leave that behind. You don't need that bit either. It'll only probably get broken if you're doing it. So with regards to trekking poles, my advice is yes, buy a pair, but my other advice is make sure that you use them and practice with them before you go on your trip. If you've got any questions, you want us to make one of these videos on a question that you've got, just email it in to us at the Bucket List Company and we'll make a What Would Keith Do video and answer your question. But we'll see you next week. Okay, bye-bye.